exciting times. 8x8 are committed to the channel, so that's great for us. Being a wholesale distribution partner for 8x8 means that we can work closely with them, aligned with you, and also make sure we're all pushing in the same direction. And that is so important, and it's refreshing as well, so we can make sure we all hit our targets and make sure we all have great success.
The biggest takeaway today was the excitement. I think this market is so saturated with a lot of other vendors that where we've been able to differentiate ourselves from those other vendors, people can actually get behind the story and actually go to their customers with something fresh and something new, especially around the Engage product.